Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
My name is Anne. What is your name?
My name is Sahiba. It's nice to meet you.
You too. Where are you from?
I'm from India. And what about you?
I am from the United States.
United States.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. So tell me a little bit about yourself.
My name is Sahiba and I am from India. I am student. I am 17 years old
Yeah.
and uh, my hobbies are reading books, painting, and cooking.
Those are
Yeah.
all wonderful.
Yeah.
So you are a student. Are you on your summer vacation right now or no?
Yes, yes, summer vacation.
Okay. And how long is your vacation for?
1 month.
Okay. Uh,
Yes.
so when do you go back to school?
Sorry.
When does school start again?
In August.
Okay.
August. Yes.
So you still have some time to enjoy summer.
Yes. Yeah. So, what is the situation of the coronavirus in your city
Yeah. So right now,
right
I live
now?
in Chicago, and things have opened up a lot. Um, a lot of people have been vaccinated, and because of that, things are really open now.
Okay. Better.
Yes, yes. What
Wow.
about you?
Yeah. In here, all better.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's nice to finally have some more freedom.
Yes. So you in which part do you live right now?
Yes. So I live in Chicago, which is kind of right in the middle of the United States.
Okay, okay, in the middle.
Yes.
Okay. So Chicago, right?
Yep.
Oh, so um uh how's the weather like in your city?
Yeah. So today it
Yeah.
looks like it's going to rain, um, which is good. It hasn't rained in a while. So I'm excited about that. Um, for us, we think it's hot. It might not be hot by your standards.
Okay.
So I'm thinking during Celsius, it's probably around 26 degrees. Is-
26 degree. Oh wow.
What's the weather like for you?
In here 35 degrees Celsius.
Okay, so that's hot. Is it
Yeah,
hot or
very
no?
hot. I don't like summer.
Yeah. What's the weather like in winter?
Sorry.
During the winter, what's the weather like?
Uh, mm, I don't know.
Is it
In,
colder?
sorry?
Is it colder?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
That's good. So,
So, mhm,
do you prefer the winter over the summer?
winter, winter.
Yes.
And you?
Um, I also prefer the winter.
Okay.
Yes.
So, do you go outside for in evening time?
Yeah. So all times of year, I go outside. Um, in the winter, it's harder to go outside because sometimes it gets cold. Um, but I have a good coat, so sometimes I like to walk in the snow. And yeah, what about you?
Yeah, in summer vacation, I go outside, and in winter, I don't go outside. Only school I go.
Yeah. How
Yeah,
cold is it in the winter?
cold, cold. Okay, okay, thank you.
Yes. So do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have two older brothers and one older sister.
So you're the youngest.
Yes.
And how old are your brothers and your sister?
One of my brother, he's 22, and my sister, she is 21,
Yeah.
and one of my brother, he is 19.
Okay.
Yes,
So all
I'm
four of you
17.
are close in age.
Yeah, I'm 17.
Is that fun having siblings, brothers and a sister close in age to you?
Yes,
Yes. Um, and are your brothers and your sister students also?
yes, my sister, she is student, and um, one of my brother, he is engineer, software engineer,
Okay,
and
great.
my yes, and mm, one of my brother, he is um, right now he is practicing in cricket.
Oh,
He
cool.
want yeah, he want to uh, become a cricketer.
Cool.
Yeah.
Uh, do you live with your brothers and your sister?
Yes, yes, right now I live.
Wonderful. That's so fun.
Yes,
So you said that you like to paint, you like to read, you like to
yes.
cook.
Mhm.
Uh, do you ever read in English?
Yes, English. I
Do you have,
was yes.
what were you saying?
I watch some English videos.
Okay.
Yes. So I have been speaking English uh, for a month.
Okay.
Yeah,
On Cambly?
on cambly. Yes.
Well, you speak very well.
Thank you. So tell me, how is my English?
Yeah. Um, so your English sounds very good. Um, I think the the words they flow well. Um, I think you could focus on vocabulary. I feel like that's
Yes,
always something
yes,
everyone
yes.
can focus
I
on.
have a lot of problem in vocabulary. Ooh,
It's normal. It's
yeah.
very understandable. I think
Sometimes I thought English is very difficult for me.
yeah. Well, you speak well. I think it's just increasing your vocabulary, which you can
Yes.
do, by watching videos, reading books, and just continuing to talk.
So you tell me how I improve. How one moment.
Yeah.
Mm, how I will improve my vocabulary. How
Yeah.
can I improve my vocabulary?
One thing I recommend is, let's say you're reading and you come across a word that you don't know. First, try to guess what the word means.
Hmm.
Then
Yes.
look up the word and see if you were right. Word,
Okay.
look at the
Yes.
definition, and then just kind of study that word and practice that way, I think.
Okay. Okay.
I've enjoyed talking with you today.
Yes.
And I hope to see you again another time.
Bye bye.